Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable flash when ringing on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15, is the same also for the other Redmi phones, and to enable flashing on the back, it is very easy. You need on your phone to go to the phone app and here tap on this icon, tap on settings, and here we have calling accounts. Now here tap on incoming call settings and here is flash when ringing. Just tap here to enable this feature and now I will exit, I will lock my phone and I will put it on the back and I will call on it to see how it's working. And now it's calling and as you can see it's working very well. So it is very easy to do it. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.